In this video, I'm sharing my secret on how you can get viable candidates all the way through the interview process. Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Natasha, the business recruiter. Welcome back to my channel. So when it comes to owning a recruiting agency, there are so many moving parts that you have to be responsible for. And ultimately, those moving parts are going to equate to you being able to get to your ultimate goal, which is to get paid. However, in order for you to receive that payout in regards to all of the hard work that you have put into trying to fill a requisition, you're gonna have to get candidates through your client's interview process. And contingent on your client and how their interview process is set up, this can actually be pretty daunting. So my secret in regards to how I've been able to get countless candidates through the interview process for a variety of clients has always been to leverage the STAR interviewing technique. And if you're not familiar with STAR, then it is very popular in terms of being able to hit all of the information within an answer so that your client gets to feel that your candidate is the exact right fit for the role. So if you're not familiar with STAR, then let's briefly take some time to go through it. So STAR stands for situation, task, action, and result. Situation being your candidate really taking the time to provide a line or two in regards to the example that they're about to go over. Now, task is associated with exactly what your candidate had to accomplish. Moving on to action, this is really your candidate's opportunity to outline all of the steps that they took in order to drive to result, which is our last piece of STAR. And when your candidate is talking about the results, they need to be specific. This is their opportunity to really shine. So being able to include various metrics or actual numbers are going to go a long way. Now, if you're enjoying this video so far, then be sure to go down below and hit that subscribe button as well as that bell so that you can get notified of all of my videos that drop weekly. Okay, so this video would be nothing if you didn't actually have a concrete example to really understand what it is that I just went through in terms of STAR. So let's say that your candidate is going through the interview process and they're in their second round interview, and your client has asked them a question in regards to a new idea they were able to implement. Let's go through an example of what your candidate could say that really would help them to excel during that interview. Okay, so the question is, tell me about a time you came up with a new idea. So for situation, your candidate could say something along the lines of, call-offs at store level have been a consistent issue. And most recently, we've seen that call-offs tend to happen within the second to third week of employment. For tasks, your candidate could say something along the lines of, given my background, my supervisor asked that I come up with an idea to deter from call-offs. Now, for action, your candidate could say something along the lines of, given my past experience, I know that work-life balance for this population is very important. So I implemented a 2-week out scheduling system. What this meant is that store employees were able to get their schedules as far as 2 weeks out from the date that they were actually working. This allowed employees to be able to have their schedules ahead of time, so there was a more cohesive balance between work and personal commitments. And finally, for result, this is something that your candidate can say to really drive this example home. After 3 months of implementation, we were able to realize an improved retention rate of over 10%, and call-offs reduced by as much as 80%. In addition, employee engagement scores went up by 4 percentage points, ultimately giving us the data that we needed to validate that the 2-week out schedule program did in fact work. Now, while I know that that's the most basic example, there is a lot of goodness that's actually associated with that example, especially from the breakdown of STAR. This example outlines how your candidate can actually go about hitting each of the individual marks that are needed for them to have an exemplary answer during the interview. Ultimately, it's important to note that there's a ton of formats out there in terms of how you can actually go about coaching your candidates to interview. So please understand that STAR is not the only one. More than anything else, it's about providing your candidates with a framework so it reduces their nervousness and increases their preparedness when it comes to going through the interview process. And although it's not a requirement for you to go through these steps with candidates that are going through the interview process, I can assure you that it does make all the difference. At the end of the day, keep in mind what your ultimate goal is, which is to get paid. You want to do everything possible, and that is within reason, in order to get that check. And if coaching your candidate to be successful during the interview process is going to be the difference between you getting paid and not paid, I can assure you I'm definitely going to choose to coach that candidate. Well, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, then be sure to give me a thumbs up, as well as don't forget to join my Facebook group. We are in there talking all things recruiting. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video.